So hello everyone. So in this video I will be telling you the difference between deleting and clearing a cell or a cell range. So what is the difference between deleting and erasing or clearing a cell? So when we say delete, it means removing a cell or a range of cell. So deleting a cell means we are removing that particular cell or the range of cell, and the next cell or the next column will shift towards the right hand side. So let me show you that with an example. Like I've entered over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me increase the size. So these are my columns A, B, C, D, E and F. So when I will choose the option delete, you will get this option entire. Want to delete entire column, entire row, cell shift up, cell shift left. You choose the option cell shift left. Okay. So what will happening? 1 is now deleted and 2 will replace that. That means that particular column row cell will be deleted and the cell which is towards the left hand side will replace it. So if I am selecting an entire column, right click and choose the option deleting that particular option, delete. Now you can see what is happening. Entire 2 column is now deleted. That means and all the values in that particular column is now deleted, including the cells, and the next column, that is the column which was towards its right, is now taken its place. That means the column are now shifted left side. Again let me show you one more example. If I want to delete this fourth, wherever I have written 4, this column B column, delete. So 5, the next column is taking its place. Same thing let me do over here again, delete. It is deleting entire column. Entire column will be deleted and the next column will shift towards the left hand side. See, same thing is happening over here. I have written over here 6, 7, delete. This entire column will delete and the next column will shift towards the left hand side. This will shift left hand side. This will come over here. So entire column will be deleted. Delete. Entire column is now deleted and the next column is taken its place. That means when you choose the option delete, the cell or the range of cells will delete and the other cells or the other columns will shift towards the left hand side. This happens when you choose the option delete. Now what happens when we choose the option clear? When you choose the option clear, if you will choose the option clear, the cell or the range of cell will not be deleted, only the content which is present in the cell will be deleted. But when I am choosing the option delete, I have written hello over here, I am in this particular column, I have deleted this column where I have written 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, delete. It will delete the entire cell or the range of cell and the next column will take its place. That means the next column will shift towards the left hand side. So let's try this, delete. So you can see entire cell has been deleted and the next column, the column which was towards its right, has now shifted towards the left. That means the column will shift towards the left hand side. Let me show you again, delete. You can see the same thing is happening. So when you choose the option delete, entire cell or the range of cells gets deleted and the other cells or the other columns are shifted towards the left hand side. But when you choose the option clear, only the content which is present in the cell gets erased. The cells remain intact. Let me show you that with an example. Like I have written over here, item, quantity and price, cake, ice cream, book, quantity 2, 10, 5, 280, ice cream 50, cake 270. So suppose this is the value that I have entered. Let me insert one more column over here. Now if you will choose the option clear, so where do you find this option clear? You will find this option clear which in the home tab. In home tab, go to editing, and in editing you will find this option called clear over here. So you have to click on this clear, but first select the cells that you want to clear. So suppose I want to clear quantity. Select the quantity, choose the option clear, and you will find these 4 options over here. When you will choose the option clear all, only the content will be cleared. You can see the cell is still intact over there, only the content has been removed. Let's Control Z it, undo it. But when you will choose the option delete, so when you will choose the option delete, you can see the price field has shifted towards the left hand side. That means it has removed that entire field. Let's undo it. So let's again choose the option clear all. So it is clearing the content, only the content. Now you will find these 4 options over here. The first one is clear all. When you will choose the option clear all, whatever work you have done in this cell, everything will be cleared. Next option is clear format. If you will choose the option clear format, only the formatting will be erased. Content will remain as it is intact there. Only the formatting will be removed. Suppose I have done certain formatting in these cells. I have changed their color. I have changed their, let's change their color. Let's change their font and style. Just changing the font and style. Suppose this is the formatting that I have done. Right. Okay. Now when I will choose the option clear and clear all, it will erase everything including the formatting, but the cell will remain there. When you will choose the option clear format, only the formatting will be erased, the content will remain there. See, the content is still there, only the formatting has been removed. Whatever formatting style that you have applied, bold, italic, changing the color, style, changing the border, it has been removed. Let me show you again. Clear format, the format will be removed, only the formatting will be removed. The next option is clear content. When you will choose the option clear content, so clear content option, it only clears the content. Formatting will remain now in this, opposite of clear format, clear content. Clear content is just the opposite of clear format. In clear format, we clear the format, content will remain there. In clear content, we remove the content, the data will be removed from the selected cell, only the formatting will remain there. That means formatting, the formatting that we have done, it will not be erased. So let me show you that with an example. Select the cells in which you want to apply clear content, clear content. So now you can see the content is only cleared, formatting is still there. You can see the formatting. Increase the size, you can see the formatting. So this is because of clear content. Only the content is cleared, formatting is still there. But when you will choose the option clear format, it will remove the format, content will remain there. When you choose the option clear content, content will be removed, formatting will be there. If you will choose the option clear all, everything will be removed, content, comments, formats, but the cell will remain there only, cell is still there. But when you will choose the option delete, it will delete everything, all the cell or the range of cell will be removed, and the next cell or the next column will be shifted towards the left hand side. The next option is clear comment. With the help of clear comment, we can remove the comment. So first let's create a comment, like suppose I have, this is not looking good, let's first clear the format. Okay, we have removed the format. So if you want to create a comment, right click, choose the option insert comment, and then you can add a comment. Price per item, this is the comment that I have entered, and here let's enter one more comment, insert comment, and language of book French. So when you will keep your mouse over the cell where you have added comment, automatically the comment will be displayed. The comment is being displayed. Now suppose you want to remove the comment. Here there is no comment, here there is no comment. If you want to remove the comment, so when you will place your mouse on top of a cell where you have written the comment will come. So here I have written comment, here I haven't written comment, no comment in this, so nothing will come. So you can identify a cell whether you have written comment on that particular cell or not by seeing this triangular shape, red color triangle. So if you want to remove the comment, select the cell, choose the option clear. This clear is again present in editing group in home tab, home editing clear. Click on clear and choose the option clear all, or you can choose the option clear comment. When you will choose the option clear comment, only the comment will be removed. No comment now over here. Here you will find comment. But when you will choose the option clear all, it will remove everything, including the value which is present in the cell. But cell will remain there. Let's undo it. Let's again remove this comment. Remove comment. Now the comment is been removed. So this is the difference between deleting and erasing or clearing a cell. So when you say delete, when you are deleting a particular cell or a range of cell, so deleting deletes the particular cell or range of cell, and the next column is shifted towards the left hand side. You can see this. There is one column over here. I am deleting it. Next column is shifting towards the left hand side. But when I will choose the option clear, it will only clear the content. Only the content will be cleared. The cell will remain there. The cell will not be removed, or the range of cell will not be removed when we will choose the option clear. So this is the difference between clear and deleting a cell. I hope this topic is now clear to you. The difference between deleting and clearing or erasing a cell. So thank you for watching this video.